AutoInTouch video tutorial sessions. This is episode 1, and in this episode we will be learning how to create diary entries. For these sessions, the garage in question has been set up for a 3-bay system. So it has an MOT bay, bay 1 and bay 2 for repairs and servicing. To start with, I'm going to create a diary entry for a straight MOT. So to create a diary entry, we will use 3 PM. We would click onto the 3 PM slot in the MOT bay, right click onto the highlighted bar. You will notice it highlights the date, the time, and gives you a 1-hour time slot. In description, it's freehand. You can type any description that will help you when it comes to creating the document. The entry types will be pre-selected for you, but it's an MOT. And then we come to enter the vehicle. Enter the registration in here. And press the enter key or use the magnifying glass. Should the vehicle not be in your system, like this one, we can then add new and enter the information. You can use your VRM lookup button here to pull the information for said vehicle and click update. That preloads all in. From the vehicle owner, you can check to see if the vehicle owner is already in your system. We can enter in a surname and use the magnifying glass to search, and this will find anybody with that surname in your system. Should neither of these be the customer you're looking for, you can generate a new account code. Complete the information on the name, enter a mobile number, enter a main telephone number, enter an email address, and enter a postcode. When you enter the postcode, hit the magnifying glass and this will give you a list of possible addresses. Select the relevant address you're looking for and click OK. And below that is how the customer would like to be reminded for their MOT and service tests in the future. You can select letter, email, SMS, a combination of all 3, or untick them all for no reminders. When this screen is complete, click Save, and then OK. And that's your diary entry. A different diary entry for a general repair, service or investigation. We'll use your major service at 3 hours. We were going to book that in at 12 PM on bay 2. We'd highlight the 3-hour slot, right click again to enter the diary entry, enter the description, enter the registration, press the enter key, again not found, so add new, VRM lookup, click update, search again for our customer, select the customer if they're in there or click generate, and then save, and OK. When you're ready to create the documents from these diary entries, the customer's in, you're ready to create your job sheet, click on the diary entry and click Convert. Convert the entry to a job card, click Yes, and there is your document.